Brand new Zippo for you guys today. Here's the case, no sticker. This is the Titanic, the world's largest liner at the time produced. I love this color design that they had. It's on a satin silver Zippo. I hate these silver cases because they're always so stupid to get out. Alright, there we go. Oh, that looks a little rough on the back. So maybe it was fired before. Let's see. 3, 2. It doesn't look fired. Let's look. Doesn't really look fired. Looks. Yeah, it just looks dirty though. Oh, this is an old Zippo, as you can see. There's the bottom of it. Maybe all this powder is from the flint, but I'm definitely gonna wipe it down. Sometimes with Zippos, if the flint is left in for a while, and this would be roughly 22 years, the flint will deteriorate. And I don't know, turn to dust and get dust everywhere. And yeah, that's exactly what happened. You can see this is some of the dust from that Zippo. It'll also, yeah, this sucks. Here, I'm gonna move this back. So that's why I always take out my flints of Zippos I'm going to be displaying for and not using. So you see, you can tell your flint chimney is clogged whenever you put the screw in, and there's nothing to catch the wheel because it's clogged, and so you have toothpicks, so you can take a toothpick. Try to get all that crap that's up there out. See all that powder that just came out? It's all from the flint. That's so annoying. So here's it, as cleaned as I could get it. I'm gonna probably put some Gooby Gone on the back of this just to help clean it up too. So maybe this was like moist at some point because the flint is really deteriorated, but also like the sticker backing. I think it used to be paper based back a while ago. Now it's a little bit more plastic, almost like it always comes off in one clean removal. But there's the Titanic.